Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Coaldale, Alberta, a small town located in the southern part of the province. Surrounded by fields, farmland, and open skies, it has a peaceful small town charm. Coaldale's history goes back to the early 1900s when settlers arrived to farm the fertile land. The town got its name from the coal deposits that were found nearby, which played a role in the early development of the area. Agriculture soon became the mainstay, and many families settled here to raise crops and livestock. Over the years, Coaldale has grown steadily, keeping its welcoming atmosphere while adding modern amenities. The surrounding landscape, with its rolling fields and nearby coulées, is perfect for exploring and enjoying nature. Whether you are passing through or exploring Southern Alberta, Coaldale is a town that offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into prairie life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Coaldale, Alberta. Thanks for watching.